Julius Krutschnitt was born on the 7th of May, 1885, in New Orleans, Louisiana. He was the son of Julius Krutschnitt, railway engineer, and his wife Wilhelmina. He graduated with his bachelor's degree from Yale in 1906. After a year of postgraduate work, he took up an appointment as a mine surveyor with the Arizona Copper Company. He joined the mining department of the American Smelting and Refining Company as superintendent of the Reforma lead mine in Mexico. He later moved to Salento to be the superintendent of a silver mine. Years later, his Spanish-style house at Mount Isa was named Casa Grande, probably commemorating his Latin American sojourn. From Mexico, he was recalled to the U.S. to manage the company's mining department of the Southwest, which was headquartered in Arizona. He was responsible for mine exploration and operation over a wide area. In September 1930, Julius Krutschnitt accepted the appointment as general manager of Mount Isa mines in Queensland and arrived in December that year. He later wrote, "To my consternation, I found on my arrival a condition bordering on bankruptcy, with creditors being importuned to await a none too certain influx of capital." The financial situation and serious technical problems presented a challenge to the quietly spoken American, particularly since his directors were pressing for early production. With additional financing from the American Smelting and Refining Company, by July 1931, the mine and smelter were producing their first bullion. Remarkably in tune with the community, Julius involved himself in a wide range of social and sporting activities. While seeking to restore the ailing mining companies, he showed an interest in the welfare of miners and their families, particularly in housing. The unique Mount Isa tent house, initially a tent to which was added a corrugated iron wall designed to create a ventilation channel, was developed while Krutschnitt was general manager. In 1931, Krutschnitt was appointed a director of Mount Isa Mines Limited and became chairman in 1937. He retired as chairman in 1953, but stayed on the board until 1967. For 14 years, he was president of the Queensland Chamber of Mines and was president of the Australasian Institute of Mining and Metallurgy in 1939 and 1952. He was awarded the AusIMM Medal in 1946 in recognition of his outstanding services to the industry in Australia. He was a board member of the Faculty of Engineering at the University of Queensland in 1954 to 1962 and was granted an honorary doctorate of engineering in 1971. In the same year, Mount Isa Mines Limited presented the Julius Krutschnitt Mineral Research Center to the university in his honor. Shortly before his death, he visited Mount Isa and spoke to senior students of the high school. Although he was by now a frail old man approaching 90, an observer commented, Dr. Krutschnitt held the normally restless teenagers spellbound for more than an hour as he talked to them about mining. The AusIMM Julius Krutschnitt Lecture was started in 1968.